Are you looking for the best fabric cutting tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best fabric cutting tables that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Offix Rolling Folding Fabric Cutting Table. The Offix Rolling Folding Fabric Cutting Table is set to a standard working height. It has an underslung mesh storage basket and a bottom shelf. This table has a sturdy powder-coated metal frame and thick tops made from MDF. The two large table leaves provide plenty of space for sewing and crafts, and they can be folded down for easy storage. The 6 table legs have wheels for easy movement, and 4 of those wheels locks to secure the table in place. When the folding table panels are both in place, there is a lot of space to cut patterns and work on larger projects such as quilting. The 2 mesh storage drawers are easy to access, and you can see all of your tools and supplies at a glance. Moving on, at number 4. We have the Craft & Hobby Essentials 62006 Charcoal Black White Standing Table. The Craft & Hobby Essentials 62006 is a crafting and cutting table with a set height of 36 inch, a pair of storage baskets and a bottom shelf for extra storage. The metal frame is powder coating in black with a thick white MDF table top. The 2 side leaf tops can fold down, and there are 4 lockable wheels, making this table easy to move and store. The large table size can accommodate pattern cutting and larger quilting projects. The 2 mesh drawers are easy to access. They slide under the center of the table when you don't need them, and they can hold plenty of sewing tools and supplies. At number 3, we have the Giantex Folding Sewing Craft Table. When it's folded together, the Giantex Folding Sewing Craft Table looks like an attractive little cabinet on wheels. The folded size is extremely compact, and it can easily fit into the footprint of a bedside table. The table can be folded open in seconds, and the wheels making it easy to maneuver into the perfect position. The table is made from natural wood for durability, and the wheels can be locked for stability when you're ready to start sewing. This sewing craft table is covered in a protective coating that makes it resistant to water damage and immune to the effects of corrosion. At number 2, we have the Sew Ready Studio Designs 13374 Folding Cutting Table with Drawers. The Sew Ready Studio Designs 13374 is an evolution of earlier furniture made for this niche market, with an even larger surface area that allows the user to work with larger pieces of fabric easily. This is the ideal table for people that want to work on larger quilting projects, and when fully extension, this table measures 60 inch 36 inch. The height of the table can also be adjusted from 30.25 inch up to a maximum height of 39.25 inch, so you can work sitting or standing. When the table is in use, it feels stable and sturdy, and there's plenty of space to store all of your smaller sewing accessories. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sew Ready Eclipse Hobby Sewing Center Sewing Craft Table. This is the ideal craft table for cutting patterns and fabrics and sewing in a comfortable position. The construction is heavy-gauge powder-coated steel. The dimensions are 60.25 inch, 23.75 inch, 29.25 inch. There is a large lower supply shelf and 3 storage drawers for materials. The platform for the sewing machine is adjustable to get the perfect height for working, and there is plenty of space for the material to spread out. This sewing table can handle up to 75 pounds of weight. The shelf can hold 25 pounds. And this makes using and storing a wide variety of sewing machines possible. If you need to work with heavier fabrics, it's a good idea to raise the sewing machine up to the level of the table, and this will help to keep the fabric straight. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.